I don't have any negative views on Corey. And like I said, it's unfortunate, but I forgive Corey. I truly do. But that was my experience. And I wish nothing but best for Corey and the 51.
No, you don't. No. Security!
No, you don't.
Show. I just wanted to come on and really say my piece because I really hadn't said anything.
You was better off not saying nothing at this point. I'm telling
everybody else was talking.
Yeah, you was better off not saying nothing.
So I wanted you guys to hear it from me. So that was my experience. That's
now imagine nobody knowing who you are unless you were in tuned, which I'm in tune. So I already I figured who it was. And you come out and you make yourself known. So now people could put the face to who Corey was talking about. It makes sense. It took her a week to do it, because even when she was on the panel, she really didn't say too much, but it took a little bit of time. But I guess, hey, everybody got to get their time in this.
That really happened because it was a small time frame.